Hey kids, it's Peyton and me. Anyway, today is Thanksgiving. Hope everyone's having a happy Thanksgiving and enjoy your friends and family or whatever you might be doing. Anyway, as you know, we do things a little bit different up in here. My in-laws go to, so Grandma and Grandpa go to Arizona, and they're leaving on, I think it's Monday morning early. So we get together right prior to it, and we do our Thanksgiving and kind of have a Christmas kind of thing. So Grandma and Grandpa get to spend time with the kids. And of course, my wife, because that's her parents. My mom stays here, so I can talk to her whenever. What we're going to do is we are going to modify a little bit on the welding table that we got. Let's see. Yow! That worked right away. Got it right in the, oh God. Take two. What we're gonna do, oh my Lord, that hurt right now. Got the edge of that right on the fingernail. Anyway, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna watch out now. There's no shelf down on the bottom. We're gonna take this scrap piece of aluminum we had laying around that I got as a donation from my brother, who probably was garbage, so he gave it to me. Now, it does have a hole in it, so we're going to have to do something. We don't have the ability to weld something in there. We'll probably, I don't know, maybe we'll just use Gorilla Tape. Anyway,
that could work.
It's supposed to hold a car bumper. Why can't it hold bolts and stuff in there, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to do that now. Peyton learned something today, for once. No, she didn't. Anyway, you guys see? Nope, that's too bad. This one's, so right here, I measured 20 and a half, and I measured 32 and a half, because that's the thing down there. I measured it twice, down there, and I measured it twice here. Measure twice, cut once, kids. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna use these accessories to hold this bad boy down, so it doesn't go shooting off, or taking out someone's hot rod. Ooh, wait, you know, I'm gonna turn this towards Clyde.
No,
It's insured. What do I care? Doesn't run right anyway. All right, so what we're gonna do, Peyton's gonna watch this one. She hasn't cut aluminum yet, so we're gonna have to, pay attention to that. Of course, we're gonna get geared up. All that. And that. Okay, so we're gonna cut it, we're gonna fit it, and then we're gonna do something else. Okay, so the other thing that we're going to do is set up the grinder. Now, we had a few good tips, and I appreciate all of them, about using the grinder the other direction so the blade is turning away from you. So if something gets away, it'll, shoot towards my garage door, which is less expensive than a knee. So we're going to do that today, and we're going to see how that works. Hey, kids. It's dusty. After you make a mess, make sure you clean it up. Peyton said, you want me to do that? Come on. Okay, I've cleaned up. She watched. So, to cut the aluminum, we tried the grinder. Too long. My nibbler, too thick. I tried chewing on it. Didn't work. Reciprocating saw. Didn't have any metal cutting blades, but I'll tell you what, that dulled up wood blade, right through it. Anyway, I made sure to tell Peyton, do not use this while I'm not here. She goes, is that a Sawzall? And I said, well, yes, but no. It's a Ryobi, so it's not a Sawzall, because Sawzall is Milwaukee, as we all know. Anyway, so I'm going to show you the modification we did today. Peyton was very helpful.
Sometimes yeah, I just stood there.
She watched, made sure I didn't get hurt. Brought me stuff I didn't need, stuff like that. So there it is. Cut it. Now there's a hole there, but look, this cost me $0. Am I going to leave it? Probably. Am I not going to leave it? I don't know. Peyton actually suggested we leave it in case we got to take it out. We can just use that, and that's not a bad idea, especially because I cut it pretty snug in here.
It's called a free handle.
Yeah, it's a handle. So there's what we did, right? Harbor Freight, a shelf would be bad to the bone. All right, some of the other things we did. Oh, hey, watch it. You know, we did the wheels, right? We didn't have any locking ones here. I do have an idea. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do it right now. Hold on. It didn't work. What I was gonna do is I was leave 2 wheels on and then use 2 feet. But if this was longer, you know, up in here, it would work fine. But so what I did was I just put the wheels back on it, and you didn't waste your time. So anyway, our modification course. You saw the wheels, right? And then I'll show them again here after I'm tightening stuff up. Anyway, this is a really handy cart or table. Hey, how's it going? Anyway, we put the vise on the end because it's been really handy for the welding we've been doing, and we just keep the clamps along the side. And now that we have the shelf, we're gonna be able to put everything down underneath for when we're ready to use the other accessories. But so that's kind of what we've done so far. I do have one other thing, but that's a different show. Another thing that shelf does for us is it allows us to store some tools that we were using on the big workbench. Now, as we're making our Secret Santa tool, the hammer, we're going to be, you know, using my bench belt sander thing. Yeah. By putting that, I was just using that. By putting this down here, goes under there nice. Oh, I suppose you want to see it. So, fits under there nice. Now, not sure if my drill press will make it, but I need to find out. It doesn't stand up, but I can lay it down. Now, that's not, I'm guessing that's not how it's going to be, but still rolls nice and easy. Now, I'm going to be using this stuff, you know, as we're working on Plan B and the hammer and that. Probably not her, though. So, decided to try it. And it looks okay-ish. I mean, it's definitely not like the big workbench, but this will actually do quite nicely. So, on to the next. So, another update to our Harbor Freight welding table, the titanium one. So, by adding a shelf, we were able to put a belt sander and our drill press down there. Now, our drill press is a little bit too tall, but that's okay. I can lay on it, it's fine. And then by putting the wheels on, of course, we have the mobility. Now, we couldn't find any locking wheels, and I wanted them done right now. So I got them. I will be finding some locking ones, and then we'll update there. But this really has the ability to be quite a hell of a tool for most shops. I mean, mine's pretty small, and you know, like I've got, you know, 2 big tools, a vise, some clamps. I've got all sorts of stuff on there. One more thing before we're going to try before we sign off today, and that's coming right up. All right, our good friend Doug. Hey Doug, how's it going? Sent us a little while ago some handed tool wipes by Greasy's Garage. So Greasy's Garage, come to find out, they're vet owned. I won't hold it against somebody that was in the Navy, but you know, he's probably smarter than being a ground pounder. So there's that. Appreciate your service. And saw on their website, so I went there, they're giving away a hot rod for every $1 you spend. So I don't know, I think I might go spend some dollars. Get me a 32 Roadster that I can't fit in here. Guarantee if 32 Roadster comes in here, that turd, gone. Anyway, we're gonna try them out right now on here. One side is textured, one side is smooth, it says. So, I got grubby today, you know, not too bad, a little. So, they're purple. Oh, they smell nice. Kind of a, I don't know, it's nice though. These are called the grip wipes. And this is the first time I've tried them. I haven't before now. I'll tell you what. Oh, that smooth side. That textured side, really. It's all right. I don't know if you can tell, but it took it all out. Took it all out. That's pretty cool. Grip wipes. Greasy's Garage. Website, hey, greasysgarage.com. Slow. greasysgarage.com. It looked like every dollar you spend, that's an entry into that hot rod. It's a 32. You get to go to his shop for 5 days. You and I think it's 3 others. Get to go build this car alongside Greasy right there in his shop. I'll tell you what, I wouldn't mind having me a 32 Roser. Throw that thing right in the trash. Probably that one too, and put them right up against Bonnie. They could just be happy together forever. Anyway, on to the next. Check them out. Greasy's Garage. That was a super good product. They have a bunch of other stuff too. Check them out. Stay tuned. Keep on wrenching. Have a great day.